Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video we have learned about list variable. Today we are going to learn about map variable. So first of all what I will do is I will just create one folder here and I'll keep the folder name as map example. So what is the map is? So map, you all know, like if you know the dictionary key value format, that is nothing but the map. So if you have given data in the dictionary format, that is nothing but map format, means key and value, then how you can store it, which variable you will use for that, and how you will use the output and print those value. That's all we will learn today. So this is simple example demo, because this and all things why we are learning here is the small things, small pieces we are learning now, and we will implement it in our real time project. So all these things is very important, like how you have learned list. So where you can use the list, let's suppose that you want to implement this list in real time. So let's suppose you want to create one EC2 machine that will have multiple security groups, so you can use the list to store the security group, right? Because that is the list of security group. So the same way we will use variable, map, everything. So don't worry how we are going to use it, just concentrate on learning and just finish it all the things. At the end we will do one very beautiful project. Okay, so let me create one file. I will keep file name as map example. Okay, map example, and create the variable saying that variable, okay, mac example.tf, right? We have to create a tf file. So we'll go here, rename it, and give here .tf. Okay, so now write it here variable, and variable name I will keep employee salary. Employee name is over employee salary because I want to keep the employee name and salary. So type I will keep map, and this map of, means here whatever you are giving here, that is the type of your key and value. So if you're, there are in the map we are having key and value, so what will the value is there, that type will be defined here. So I will show you. Let's suppose that I kept here number, and and I will show you what difference. So let me just put here a default value, and I want to keep default value as what you called, let me put my name Sumit, and my age is 29, and Amit, and brother name age is 31. Okay, so I want to print it. If you see here map, it is forcing me to write here number here, because we have defined number here. Let me just type here string. Okay, now I've given here, this is a map of string. So this is, even though it looks like number, but it is string. So I will show you how. So let me just finish the output first. So output, and here I will keep print employee salary, employee sal, I'll keep employee sal only, and then value where dot employee salary. Okay, let me just run it. So where I am inside your list example. So first of all I have to move to map example. So cd dot slash map example. Now here run Terraform plan command. You can see what we have defined. We have defined string here, and it is number. But if you see here in the print statement, this is string. Why? Because in the map we have defined a string here. Let me just put here number. Okay, number. Let's see what will happen. See, this is number 31 and 29. So that's what we have to define map and number, because this is salary. Okay, so salary is not 29 and 30. I will make it age. Okay, so this age. Okay, age is 29 and age is 31, and change it to, that doesn't matter, this for learning purpose only. So this is employee age 29, and now let me just print one more time. Okay, it's printing fine. But how I want to print? I want to print it such a way that Sumit age is 29, Amit age is 31. Same way what we have done in list, or we have done is here in the simple variable. Okay, it is very simple. So first up, but before that I want to show you this is a default value. If you want to override default value, you can use the var keyword, clear it, and use pass the var, and you can pass what is your variable employee age. So imp underscore age equal to and map. So right now let's suppose Sumit age is 29. I want to update Sumit age is 32. Okay, 32, and Amit age is 34. Okay, so you can pass the variable like this. Now if you see, it is updated. It is not taking the default value. It is taking Sumit. It is taking Sumit is 32 and Amit is 34. Okay, so these things you already learned how you can pass the value from here. Now I want to print it in the format. I want to format it. So what you can do, you have to use for loop. I know I have not taught you about the for loop, but just for this tutorial anyway, just for map, I'm just telling you how you can use. You can use for, okay, and I want to bring name and age. So I'll keep name comma age from where in what is this where imp name. Now we are having name and age two variable, and in the name variable we are having Sumit, Amit, and age variable we are having 29 and 30. So this one we have to print it. So here we have to use the double quote, and we can use, we have to print it in the formatted way, like Sumit age is. So I can write here dollar and name means this is Sumit, and then age is, then I use dollar here again, and what is the variable name, age. Okay, and close it. So now let me just clear it